All right, so I'm cutting slabs out of this oak tree that fell on my neighbor's house about a year ago. I've trimmed it down, got the Alaskan sawmill, 36-inch bar, and I've already cut a couple slabs. They're drying back in the barn, and I'm going to use my little bitty tractor here to take the slabs back to the barn. So I'm just going to take a time lapse here of me cutting it a little bit, and then I'll be back later.
Let's go.